Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie egg rolls. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, focusing on quality apple pie filling and fresh egg roll wrappers. Next, I'll guide you through the simple preparation steps, ensuring your workspace is ready for assembly. Then, we'll dive into the easy folding method, creating perfectly sealed rolls ready for cooking. This recipe is a fantastic dessert or snack, combining classic flavors with a fun, crispy texture. Now let's get into the heart of the process, filling and folding. You'll want to place about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your delicious apple pie filling in the center of each egg roll wrapper. Don't overfill or they might burst. Then, we'll demonstrate the proper folding technique, ensuring a tight, secure package. A little water or egg wash on the edges acts as your glue, sealing everything perfectly for frying. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this easy guide to apple pie egg rolls, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation, just like a perfectly crispy egg roll, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough. They are incredibly comfortable and come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your egg rolls are assembled, it's time for the magic of frying. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Carefully place a few egg rolls in the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they're beautifully golden brown and crispy. Serve these delightful treats warm, perhaps with a drizzle of caramel or a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.